How to get a discount code for PlayStation Store. Want to cut down on game costs? Let's explore how to get working PlayStation Store discount codes. So, start with the PlayStation's official sales. Seasonal events offer up to 75% off indie games, PS5 titles, and accessories. Another thing you can do is to visit verified coupon sites such as Retail Me Not and Deal Drop. Trusted coupon sites list verified codes including 20% off purchases, $50 off select orders, and up to 75% off weekly deals. PlayStation Plus members get exclusive discounts on games and bundles. Combine this with promo codes for maximum savings. So to use these codes at checkout, enter your promo code in the redeem codes box, confirm the discount before payment, and that is how you get PlayStation Store discount codes.